Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called Home Decor Luxe Club Vlogtober Edition, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Remember that in the month of October, we're going to be posting a video every Saturday, so make sure and jot that down. I'm so excited. So the hosts and the co-hostesses are the main host is Glam Elegant Living, that's Lady Allie. The co-hostesses are Creations by Simone, the Rodgers House, At Penny's Place, Buckeye Girls Recent Things, Amethyst Adventures, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me, and A Hoarder's House. So what I'm going to be doing is linking the host and the co-host channels down below. I'm also going to be including the playlist, so make sure and head on over to our channels, full watch the videos and subscribe, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can get all of your decor ideas and styles for your holiday season. So jumping into the video, the Dollar Tree a while back was carrying these two, I think they're milk jugs, and a very short time I never seen them again. So what we're going to be using these for are vases, and I decided to go ahead and paint them a matte black, so that's what you see me doing here. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create these crafts will be listed in the description box below. So let's jump into it. I'm making a bow out of that buffalo check ribbon that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And then we're going to be embellishing that in the center and also using some sunflowers to create these beautiful vases. So the buffalo check ribbons look beautiful, and we're going to add an embellishment to it, and now the jars are finished drying, so now we're going to go ahead and glue everything on. Now we're done with embellishing those two jars. Then they come out absolutely beautiful. And now we're going to move on to the florals that we're using, including these pumpkin picks that the Dollar Tree just started carrying. So now we're going to go ahead and make the arrangements, and that's what you see me doing here. Let's take a look at the reveal to these beautiful vases. Now moving on to project number 2. So what we're doing here is we got one of the pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and then of course some glitter, and we got some paint, some Mod Podge, some florals. So let's jump into it. So what I'm doing here is cutting out in a circular motion that piece of styrofoam so that we can use this for florals. But first we're going to go ahead and decorate the pumpkin itself. So you pop out that piece of foam, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So what I decided to do is add some black to this pumpkin. So every couple of ripples, I decided to color black. So that this way would be orange, black, orange, black. You'll see what I mean. So I'm liking how this is looking so far. And then I decided that the orange parts, I can go ahead and place some Mod Podge and add some glitter. But before starting that process, I figured I'd get the bow out of the way because I do want to embellish this with a bow. That's what we're doing here with the orange ribbon that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. After the bow was done, I decided to take one of the leaves that I purchased from the Dollar Tree along with a little tiny pomegranate, and I decided to embellish it that way. Now we're going to go ahead and move the bow over to the side and start on the pumpkin. Look how beautiful that bow came out. I'm loving the pomegranate. Okay, so here we're going to grab the Mod Podge, we're going to grab the glitter, and we got to be prepared when we're working with glitter. But I think I got it now. So I'm using the burnt orange glitter that you can also purchase in the Crafter Square. So I think this burnt orange color is looking absolutely fabulous. I don't know if I mentioned, but we will be using this pumpkin as a little planter. I cannot wait for you to see it with the little floral arrangement that I'm going to place in it. So look how beautiful this pumpkin came out. I am so happy with the results of it. We're going to go ahead and embellish with that bow, and then we're going to stick these beautiful florals inside of the pumpkin. I'm absolutely loving the results of how this came out. It is gorgeous. Okay, so let's head on over and see the reveal. Just want to take a moment to thank the hosts and the co-hostesses for this collaboration. I love putting it together and I hope you enjoyed watching. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Head on over to that playlist so that you can watch those videos of these beautiful creators, and I'll see you in the next one.